Wow, it's a great day at Health and Balance again. Can you believe this place? I love this place. This is the complimentary warm-up area. Comes along with being a patient here. You get to come in and use all the equipment. Most people come in about 15 minutes early before their therapy time, and they start off with the PowerPlate. Then they usually go over to the Wobble Chair, and then they come over to the cervical traction area. And we're going to have Noah actually demonstrate because he's our go-to guy.
This is the PowerPlate. All you got to do is stand up here. There's 4 buttons here. Each one is a different setting. I'm going to put it on the lowest setting. If you want, you can grab the handlebars for safety, and you're going to go up on your toes, onto your heels, and then you're going to squat down into a stretch and come back up. Toes, heels, and then down. You always want to be moving, not a static moment here.
You know why this is good? Because it increases your bone density. It strengthens your core. It strengthens your hips. It decreases your pain. It strengthens your muscles. You can get 30 contractions per second on some of these things. I mean, if you're lifting weights, you're doing 1 contraction per second, perhaps. So this is such a good tool for increasing your circulation, increasing your strength, decreasing your pain. Movement turns down pain pathways. So let's take a look at the Wobble Chair. This thing is really cool. And we added a vibration unit so you'd even get more benefit from it. So the idea is to turn this on. And there's a certain position that gives us a good amount. I'd say go about 30. And the idea is to get on here and then just start to go through some basic ranges of motion. Side to side, and twisting and twisting. Make sure you breathe. And then the idea is you can go side to side on the Wobble Chair to really open up your low back. Make sure nothing hurts. If it hurts, don't go there. Forwards, backwards, around in circles this way, around in circles that way. The idea is just get in and start loosening your back up.
This is the standing wall cervical traction. It's to help stretch out your neck muscles, decompress your disc, take pressure off the nerves. Really, it's about decreasing pain. It also helps to reinforce your natural cervical curvature. So we start about shin height with the bar. The easy way is just you can lift this thing up, it comes right out, and then up and down depending on where you're at. If it is too high for you, just please ask for assistance. This slides up. We put this around our natural, so I'm gonna bring this down actually a little bit, our natural neck curvature. And we get our feet up against the wall here, elbows against the wall. This comes down underneath our chin, and then we're holding with our hands for support, and we just do a gentle squat, opening up our neck, taking pressure off those nerves, stretching our muscles out. Oh, it feels good. And you can do a static hold, or you can do a little bit of repetitions, just kind of come down and hold for 30 seconds. Okay. And that's the standing cervical wall traction.
So the bottom line is you getting the fastest results possible, the highest return on your investment. We suggest every visit, come in and use all the equipment. It'll speed up your results. It'll get you out of pain faster and get you back to where you want to be, living that healthy, active, pain-free life.